Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing some organic herbs by Bear Blend. Bear Blend is handcrafted 100% USDA certified organic herbs, created by Anthony Singing Bear in Southern Oregon. The herbs can be smoked, vaped, and even made into a sun tea drink. They are available in loose blends, pre-rolled rollies, and liquid herbs. Liquid herbs are certified organic e-liquids, made using 100% VG, herbs, and nothing else. They are best vaped at 37 to 40 watts. OG Bear Blend is their most floral and aromatic blend, with a mild, relaxing, and soothing effect. This is my favorite flavor of the review. I get top notes of vanilla for the smell. The inhale is a sweet vanilla, with tea-type notes on the exhale. Moon is specially formulated for women, containing a subtle touch of rose and motherwort, created with herbs to help balance the energies and calm the mind. It is described as a medium effect that is perfect to pair with a nice light red wine. The smell is a combination of sweet berries and floral notes. The inhale is sweet berries with light floral and herbal notes lingering on the exhale. Dream Lodge is their most potent blend. Described as a strong effect, it contains several herbs to help relax the body and mind, allowing the spirit to speak. I get coconut notes for the smell. The inhale is sweet coconut with medium herbal notes on the exhale. Ceremonial blends are used as a tea, a smoke, a vape, or an incense. Amazon Blend is described as a medium effect that is activating and flavorful with a hint of clove. It inspires alert relaxation and balancing. The smell has predominant notes of clove. The inhale is clove with lightly sweet herbs on the exhale. Knick is described as a medium effect, uplifting blend with herbal undertones and a hint of lavender. It has a strong familiar herbal smell, but I'm not sure which one it is. For me, both the inhale and the exhale are smooth, almost floral notes, which could possibly be lavender and passion flower that I'm picking up. Dream Lodge is a powerful blend with hops and valerian. It is calming and dream enhancing with a strong effect. It has a similar smell to Knick, but just a little stronger. The inhale is a medium, almost minty throat hit with smooth herbs on the exhale. Personally, I found Bear Blend to be a brilliant product. A lot of us are searching for ways to relax and sleep better at night. In my opinion, organic herbs are the answer. If you can't sleep at night, throw out the sleeping pills and try some Dream Lodge. If you need to relax and cannabis is illegal in your state, try a 100% legal ceremonial blend that matches your preferences. If cannabis is legal in your state, you can blend them with Bear Blend herbs to make them last longer while creating a new experience. Most importantly, if you're struggling with quitting cigarettes, organic herbs can aid the transition with several ways to use it. I found both these ceremonial blends and liquid herbs to be pleasant to smell and smooth to ingest. All the blends are tobacco-free, nicotine-free, and cannabis-free, so you won't get a harsh throat hit, but a smooth, flavorful hit that can aid with anxiety, stress, pain, and inflammation of the body. Overall, I really like using organic herbs to heal the body. I think it's the natural way to go. My only con is I didn't have any luck vaporizing the herbs, but I think I may need to grind them first and then try again. Liquid herbs was my favorite method of using the herbs with very fast results. Bear Blend currently offers 11 flavors of e-liquid and 7 ceremonial loose blends. Liquid herbs runs $19.95 per 30 milliliter bottle, and loose blends runs $14.95 per 22 grams, which come in a 100% recyclable tin. If you'd like to try some Bear Blend organic herbs for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.